Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 435D M Sport Coupe presented in black sapphire metallic. So alongside that very nice exterior colour, we've also added a Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit to the car, and included in that are a brand new set of 20-inch 795 M style alloy wheels presented in the ferric grey. Situated just behind those wheels you will see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this car that does mean we've got BMW's fantastic full M Sport Plus package. The car itself is a 2015 15 plate, has the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. Also down the side of the car, as well as those very eye-catching alloys, you will of course see the BMW gloss black air breathers and air satin side vinyls, including YNC Mperformance decals. Again, thanks to the M Sport Plus package, you do get the sun protection glazing, and we shall now go on and show you the interior for the car, which once again works very nicely with that exterior colour. The exterior for the car is in really great condition. We've also got a very nicely kept interior, being it's black Dakota leather with both the heated electric movement and memory. Of course, it's the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course to help us keep all of that power and torque in check, we've got that superb, very intelligent X-Drive 4-wheel drive system also on board. Rear seat arrangement is the Isofix 2x2 seats with the central folding armrest and storage tray. We do also get the darkened M Sport headlining once again, and we shall now make our way towards the back of the car, not before showing you again just how well these alloys sit on the 4 Series. So at the back we added once again a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a more OEM style ferric grey diffuser with the little central aero blades, as you can see there. If you've not yet seen the boot space for the 4 Series Coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as there is a huge amount of space in there that can be made even larger because you do get split folding seats. Moving on to the other side of the car, where again we can see how well the black sapphire works with not only the additions we've made, but thanks to the sun shining through into the showroom today, it does have a huge amount of metallic flake into that paintwork and looks great no matter of the light condition. A very nice stealthy paint colour. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside and just run yourself through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting of course with the professional wide navigation and media screen. Currently upon there we've got the DAB list. However, with DAB you do also get a wide array of multimedia inputs, including the music collection. Your external devices covers you for Bluetooth audio, USB and AUX inputs. I shall also start the car up and just run you through a couple more of these screens. Sat nav, Bluetooth telephone, and of course we've already seen the audio function. The vehicle itself's covered just over 63,000 miles, as you can see on screen. We did of course talk briefly about the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, so that's why we've got these lovely flappy paddles. Cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls all on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. And although it has done 63,000 miles, we've also got full BMW service history. Also again all visible on the iDrive, and I shall now show you that. The next service is due in 6,000 miles time. Both front brake pads and rear brake pads have got plenty of life left in. Of course they are the bigger M Sport Plus brakes, we've already spoke about that. 14,000 miles till front and 32,000 till rear. Service history wise, let's go right to the bottom. Luckily we're already there. First service and going all the way up to the very last and most recent service. Full BMW, as I mentioned. 53352 was the last service at BMW, and that's great news because it does mean we've had a full service at BMW, meaning the next service is only going to be a very basic one. So thank you for taking a look at our walk around video of again a very nice example of a beautiful 435 M Sport Coupe. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. However, if you do want to get in touch with us or simply have a look at the car in more detail, there's a link to both of those items in our description. Thank you very much, and hopefully we'll see yourselves very soon. Do of course take care. Goodbye.